Okay, so this just arrived this morning. This is just a teaser video. We're going to plan to do a full unboxing later today. So, little envelope. I'll have a look at that in a minute. Very exciting. And there it is. Space Grey. Do not accept if seal is broken. Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. There it is. So I only ordered this yesterday. Said that it wasn't going to be, or said expect deliveries from the 18th, but here it is. This is the Gear S3. So what we got here? How to return your item securely. That's worrying. And a bag to return it if you want to. I wonder if that's a subtle prophecy. Anyway, so hopefully later on today we are going to do a full unboxing video of this Samsung Gear S3. Subscribe to the channel to make sure you get an update for that. Look forward to speaking with you later. Cheers.